We are a team, forged through hometown pride and a will to achieve. We help drive the momentum of manufacturing in North Carolina, in our small towns and our major cities, in incubators and startups, and already established organizations. We may not always agree on everything, like barbecue, college sports, summers at the beach, or in the mountains. But when we come together, we support organizations like yours, organizations that are making things the world loves. We can help you start or grow your business, or provide export assistance. We offer research, product development, prototyping, and testing capabilities. We can help you fine-tune your performance and improve business processes while operating in more efficient and sustainable ways. And we can help train your workforce to be globally competitive. No matter what issues stand in our way or what solutions you may need, we blaze a trail through innovation and teamwork. We are partners. We are NCMEP.